Hi, today we just got an update on this Harrier computer, which is used by the RAF. Sorry, it was used by the RAF because Harrier is now no longer used by the Air Force. And hence this unit was found on eBay. Just a quick summary. This is a engine diagnostic computer. This is the main unit. It connects to a handheld keypad and screen, which unfortunately I don't have. And it also connects to the aircraft. That is for downloading diagnostic information, uploading software updates, etc. I did a teardown video on this, which you can see down below. In this video, I'm going to try and power it up. And then I've got an oscilloscope to see if there's any signals on any of the serial ports. With me not having the keypad, which connects to this unit here, I'm not going to be able to actually do a right lot with it. I think all I'll do is a power light, so come on, but might see something interesting on the serial ports that it's got. If not, what we'll do is I'll take these flash ROMs out here, these EEPROMs, and dump them to see if there's anything interesting on them. So I've already pulled one of these units apart before. And the ROMs contained tail numbers of aircraft and all sorts of other interesting information. So let's get on with it. First of all, this thing is designed to work off batteries or the aircraft supply. Now it is 28 volts DC or 24 volts on this battery input here. Let's get the terminals here. It's a positive terminal, which this thing was designed to be carried in the backpack by the ground maintenance crew with a hand, I say, I've mentioned handheld keypad. So what I've got there is a 12 volt bench power supply connected to 24 volts. We'll switch on and see what happens. And it's drawing no current. Okay, that's good. That's power switch in the front just turned off. So I'll switch that on now. Drawing 216 milliamps. Our lights come on. Yeah, that's all it's going to do at the moment. Let's see if there's any signals on the serial ports. I need to zoom in a bit on that one because don't have much room. I'll just set that up. Right, as you can see, got the schematic here. We've got pinouts to some of the pins on the connectors. That's HHU as a handheld unit. That's RS422. So we've got some signals on there which I would expect to see. So that's pins 1 to 5. Okay, let's find PL8. There we are. There's a signal on the ROM. Yeah, there we are. Yeah. Right, so this thing appears to be operational. We've got the connection to the aircraft itself, which is on PL9. So we've got there, that's the RS42 relay motors. We're in Manchester encoding. Yeah, not the case anything there either. Oh, there we go. You know, that pins that. Pin 12. That is transmit. So this obviously is transmitting. There we go. That's the data being sent to the aircraft. It's for transmitting some information and expecting a response. And if it's not getting it, then it's not going to do anything. Now, somebody did, one of my viewers, I'll link down below, he sent me some information. So he's got one of these units and he's got the handheld keypad. He managed to power his up. So I'll post some pictures now of what it's supposed to do. Yeah, and we go today, yeah. RS-423. So it is attempting to communicate with the aircraft. But obviously it's not getting the response, so probably why there's nothing over here. If I turn it off and back on again. Reuse. Yeah, without that keypad, it's not going to do a right lot. So there's another control, there's another serial port. There's a user port. That's RS. They're at, not RS-42, it's RS-232 on that, but they're at TTL levels. That's PL6. So I think I'm not going to be able to see anything interesting without that damn keypad. Well, that's a bit of a bummer. I'll have a poke around a bit more and see if I can find anything interesting, and if I do, I'll come back. Then we'll do a dump of those EEPROMs and see what's on them. Right, well, it's not doing anything. I think that user port is for connecting to a PC and a printer for downloading information. And I don't think this thing's going to initialise properly without that handheld keypad. So unfortunately, unless I can get my hands on one of those, I don't think it's going to do much. Said I'll post those pictures. I'll put them at the end of the video as well. And give the user credit down below. But yeah, it's quite an interesting little box. So now we'll take a look at those EEPROMs. That just about wraps it up for this video. I'll revisit this unit if I manage to get one of those handheld keypads. But for now, I think it might make an interesting little box to try and hack so I can get to do something else. If I manage to do that, I'll make a video on that. But for now, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.